Hello, in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove a variety of body clips, which you may encounter whenever you're working on your own car. This first type of clip is just an ordinary push-in type body clip, and these are the ones I consider harder to remove because they grip really well and require a bit of effort to remove without the right tool. And these next clips are known as pushpin type body clips. These have a pin in the center which when pushed down lock the clip on, and when the pin's lifted you can release the clip. Here you'll notice that the fingers of the clip are flush when the pin is lifted, but as soon as you push the pin down, the fingers expand and will not allow the clip to come out. And these are my two clip remover tools. This first one looks like a pry bar style clip remover, and it allows it to slide under the clip and has a wide opening for it to slide fully into the clip to be able to remove them. And the second one is more of a plier style, and this one allows you to get in between the clips and makes it easy to pry the clips off by just squeezing the handle. Here you'll see how you can slide under the clip and you just squeeze the handle to lift the clip out and off. You can also remove these type of clips using something like needle nose pliers, but as you can see it takes quite a bit of effort to pull them off without the leverage of the handle. You can also remove these pin style clips using these tools. You just slide one corner in between the slot and the pin and you rotate slightly to lift it up just a bit, then you can have the tool do the rest. You can remove this style clip using just a flat blade screwdriver, but they do require a little more effort, and if they're older clips they're more susceptible to breaking. But to remove the clip, just slide the screwdriver between the slot and the pin, rotate, and pull out the rest. And you can just slide off the remaining lower half of the clip. And this is how you remove the clips using the trim remover tool. I just lift the pin slightly with the corner in the slot, slide in the tool between the gap, pry up on the pin, pull the pin off, and remove the remainder. And the following will be clips from a variety of vehicles, which I hope you'll find helpful. For this last style clip, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to rotate the screw and that will bring the pin out. Well, I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please hit that like button to support my video and channel. And don't forget to subscribe.